Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to make a painting based on two paintings I did last year. And as well, those are my most popular prints. And I get quite some questions if I can make some more variants. So, that's what we're gonna do today. Let's wet this first. This is, by the way, a longer canvas than the ones that I just showed. Be enough, and just think that should be enough already for the color. Let's see. That's the perfect base. It's a very light grayish blue. Very light. I will keep this brush like this, so if I make some little mistakes, then I can still use this one to fix some things. Let's mix a ivory black a little bit with Payne's gray. Let's mix it up here. Beautiful. I'm gonna rotate the canvas because this is unreachable for me, kinda. I don't know if I like that. I like that. This line up here now. Great start. Great start. And it is similar to the other ones, but it's different. So now let's work with some white and with some color. All right, let's mix a kind of indigo color first. We'll be using just a little bit of Prussian blue and some permanent violet dark. We'll probably tilt the canvas quite a lot for this one. Just go right here. All right, some indigo. Here we go. Yeah, I like that. Now let's mix another color. Some permanent violet dark, a little bit of golden yellow, and some India yellow hue, just a tiny bit. I think using this gradient in this painting will be on fire. So you probably won't see the full canvas constantly because the top camera can't see it in total. It's so long. Let's go here. Yeah, that color, that works very well, doesn't it? Let's go a little here. I really need to hang on this canvas. That's lovely. Maybe I should go from here that way, like. Oh, let's go here. Let's make another one here. Ooh, that's lovely. I love this line. I love that. Make some Payne's gray together with that black. All right, so what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Let's make one here again. Now, go here. White. Just thinking about what I think about this all. It's very minimal at this moment. I need more. I really need more. Bring a line down here. Quite the journey. Quite the journey. It's a hard one. How did I do that last year? I feel like I want to create another leaf up here, but it's gonna break up this flow, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh, look at this composition. That's nice. If I look at this composition, things change. One leaf like that, this might work. What do you think? Is this something lovely? I think it is. It's fun again. This was fun to work with these colors. I'm gonna let this dry, fix it up probably a little bit, and I'll be back. And here you go, the final end result of today's painting. And I think this is the perfect addition to the paintings from last year. It has a different composition. It's a little bit more fresh, and I think that's because the use of blue in this painting that really fits with the background. And also the gray, it's not really gray, it's more this bluish gray. Yeah, I think my collectors will be very happy with this. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this painting. And remember, you can find all my materials and tools in my description, and as well the links to my art courses. And I'll see you next week, Saturday.